Good morning. My name is Jim Lawhon, Operations Officer here at the Florida State Watch Office, and this is the Florida State Watch Office Daily Situation Report for Saturday, March 28, 2009.
The State Emergency Operations Center is currently at a Level 3 or monitoring activation status. The State Watch Office is monitoring the following in Florida.
No problems have been reported at any of the nuclear power plants. All reactors are operational except for Turkey Point Unit 3, which is offline for maintenance.
No major power outages have been reported. All airports are open and at normal operation. All seaports are open and functioning normally. All major highways in the state are open and any lane closures should be open by noon today. No public health advisories have been issued for the state. There have been no confirmed or suspected attacks on major computer networks. No known border security or migrant issues have been reported in the past 24 hours. And now, the weather brief.
Thank you, Jim. A large and strong storm system over the southern central plains this morning will move east-northeast towards the eastern seaboard today. An associated trailing cold front will also push eastward, bringing numerous thunderstorms and showers to portions of North Florida today. Strong to severe thunderstorms will be possible along and ahead of the cold front. These storms will be capable of producing damaging wind gusts, large hail, frequent lightning, and isolated tornadoes. The Storm Prediction Center has placed all of North Florida and portions of northern central Florida in a slight risk area for severe weather today, and a tornado watch is in effect for the Florida Panhandle and Big Bend until 12 Central, 1 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. The squall line of strong thunderstorms will continue to move across the Florida Panhandle this morning and then into the Florida Big Bend this afternoon before reaching the Suwannee Valley later this evening. The cold front is supposed to sweep through the Florida Panhandle tonight, with severe weather shifting east to northeast Florida and portions of northern central Florida around midnight tonight. The front is forecast to be near central Florida along the I-4 corridor by Sunday morning. In addition to the severe weather, flooding will become a concern across northwest Florida. Already, 2 to 5 inches of rain has fallen across portions of the Florida Panhandle and Big Bend, and an additional 2 to 5 inches is possible today, leading to localized flooding of urban and low-lying areas. A flash flood watch remains in effect for the western Florida Panhandle through this evening, with a flood watch in effect for the Florida Big Bend and eastern Florida Panhandle through tonight. These heavy rains may also send local area rivers above flood stage in the coming days. A flood warning is in effect for the St. Marks River, the Apalachicola, the Yellow River, the Shoal River, Blackwater River, the Perdido River, and the Escambia River through early next week. The Florida Peninsula will remain mostly dry for the first half of Saturday, but isolated to scattered showers will be possible this afternoon before more numerous showers come to the peninsula later tonight. Otherwise, it will be breezy with winds of 10 to 20 miles an hour and gusts up to 30 to 35 miles an hour possible. As a result, a lake wind advisory is in effect for much of the eastern peninsula through today. These strong winds will also continue a high risk of rip currents along all Florida East Coast and Panhandle beaches, with a moderate risk for west central and southwest Florida coast. For drought conditions, the Keach Farm Drought Index average for the state of Florida is now 553 on a scale of 0 to 800. Recent abundant rainfall has reduced KBDI values significantly across the Florida Panhandle and Big Bend, but dry conditions still remain in the Florida Peninsula. However, this may change over the weekend as some rainfall is forecast for much of the Florida Peninsula as the cold front sweeps through. This will help alleviate KBDI values and drought conditions across the peninsula.
For further information and to learn more about how you can get a plan, please visit www.floridadisaster.org.
That's all we have for today. This has been the Florida State Watch Office Daily Situation Report for Saturday, March 28, 2009. Have a safe day.